Today we're creating an awesome cloning effect where your subject appears multiple times in the same frame, perfect for creative storytelling, music edits, and futuristic visuals. Let's get started. First, import your clip into CapCut and tap on it to select it. Now, go to the effects option in the bottom toolbar, then scroll to body effects. Inside body effects, look for the clone tab. Here, find and select Doppelganger. Once you apply it, you'll immediately see multiple copies of your subject appear, giving you that cool duplication effect. To fine tune the look, tap on the effect again to open its controls. You'll find several sliders that give you full control over the clones. Twist controls the distance or spacing between your clones. Pushing it up spreads the clones farther apart. Lowering it places them closer together. Speed adjusts how quickly the clones animate or shift. Amount controls how many cloned copies appear. Increase it for more duplicates. Reduce it for just a few. Intensity changes the opacity of the clones. A higher value makes them more solid. Lower values make them look faded or ghost-like. Rotation rotates the clones around your subject, changing their angle on screen for a more dynamic look. Experiment with these sliders to find the visual style you want. You can make your clones subtle or bold depending on the theme of your edit. Now, preview your video. You'll see your subject duplicated across the frame, creating a stylish clone visual effect. And that's it. You've just created the cloning effect using the Doppelganger preset in CapCut Mobile. Try this in music videos, cinematic edits, or fun reels to make your visuals stand out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile guides.